Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to delete permanently your Facebook page. So first of all, I am here in my Facebook page, and then on the upper right side, you will see your Facebook page profile. Click that and then kindly scroll down. Then go to settings and privacy. Click that and then go to settings. After that, kindly scroll down. Please scroll down until you see the access and control. That is under your information. So click that. And then here, you have three options. It's either to deactivate the page, and this is temporary, unpublished page, and also this is temporary, or delete page, and this is permanent. So the only choice that is permanent is the delete page. And let's say for example you don't want to use it anymore. So you may click that. So you won't be able to retrieve this one. Okay? So once it's you're already decided, delete the page. And then after that, the page deletion, I no longer find Facebook useful. And then continue. And permanently delete page. You have the option before you delete everything. Let's say for example you have some posts that you want to save. You may go to activity log, or to download some information you may download info, or transfer info from the other page you may do so. And if you don't want to do these things, so it's okay, you can just simply click continue. And then after that, you need to confirm this deletion by entering your password using your Facebook profile account. So let me enter first my Facebook password. Enter already your password, click continue. And then delete Xiaomi King's affiliate page and information. And then yes, continue. And then yes, that's the last step, delete page. Okay, click delete page. And then here, the following page will be now delete. After the deletion, it will automatically switch to your Facebook profile. So that's it. Okay, bye bye.